You can see the clash, but now you have to describe it, what it is and where it is. Samurai Jin, link coordination. 2 ways to tell another discipline exactly what you mean. First, the fastest way to point at an element. You found a clash, and you need to tell another team which element is causing it. Open link coordination. Select your scope. Click Get IDs. Pick the element you want to report. Its ID appears here in the text box. Copy the IDs and send them straight to your teammate. Now, the other side of the conversation. Your teammate has the ID. They have no idea where that element is, so they simply paste the ID into this box. One click on section box takes them straight to it. No hunching, no vasted chimi. They can also select the element, whether it sits in their own model or in a link, or isolate it on its own. The second way to report an issue, with a picture and a note. It starts in the same place, link coordination. This time, open the second tab, BCF Capture. It has 2 modes, export for raising issues, import for reading them. Both modes work from one shared folder, where your captures are written and read back. Both parties need to reach it, a local server or the Forma desktop connector. So in export mode, browse to that folder. This is where your comments land, ready for the other disciplines to pick up. Set it once, and every capture goes to the same place. Now frame the problem in your active view. Here, a floor drain clashes with the structure. Click Capture Active View. The view is captured and drops into the queue. Next, mark it up. Double-click the row or click Markup. The editor opens on the captured snapshot. Draw an arrow, then drag its handles to adjust it. Pin, line, cloud, rectangle, counter with a single key shortcut for every tool. Pick the text tool, click where the note should sit, and type. Can you lower this floor drain, please? Save, and the markups are stored with the capture. You can rename the title too, so it reads clearly on the other end. Give it something the other team will understand at a glance. Floor drain issue. One thing to get right first. If your models don't share coordinates, the restored viewpoints won't line up. Put them all on share coordinates, or use the base point instead. Then press Export and save all. 1 BCF file per capture. Now let's switch sides and open that issue. Your colleague wants to know exactly which floor drain you met. They open link coordination, go to BCF Capture, and switch to import mode. They browse to the same shared folder and click Load BCFs. Every issue in the folder is listed. Select the one you want. Then press Restore View. The exact camera comes back with the markups drawn straight onto the Revit view. No more guessing which floor drain. It's the one with the arrow on it. Hide annotations to clean up the view, or toggle the markups off and on. Navigate freely. The markups stay exactly where they were put. Link coordination is completely free. Just comment and share, leave your email, and I'll send you the download link. And there are plenty more free Samurai features waiting. Samurai Gen, build smarter.